Welcome learners. In this video, we will continue and complete exercise 14.1 of chapter 14, Exponent and Powers. Question number 6 is, simplify 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 2. That means we need to multiply and solve its answer. 2 raised to 4, that means 2 will be repeated 4 times in multiplication, multiplied by 3 raised to 2, that means multiplied by 3 into 3. As I have suggested earlier also, आप चाहें तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं या फिर आप पूरा मल्टीप्लिकेशन एक साथ कर आंसर डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकते हैं. So I have done here the multiplication directly and I have written the answer. So you can see 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9. 16 into 9 will give you 144. Part 2 is 3 into 4 raised to 3. 3 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64 into 3 will give you 192. Or you can do it 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 12 into 60 give you 192. Part 3 is 2 raised to 4 into 5. 2 raised to 4 into 5. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80. Part 4, 2 into 10 raised to 4. 2 into 4 times 10 in multiplication. Since I can write it directly, 10 into 10 into 10 is 10,000. 2 into 10,000 will give you 20,000. Part 5 is 7 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2. 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. 7 7s are 49. 2 2s are 4. 49 into 4 will give you 196. 0 into 10 to the power 8. 0 when multiplied by a number will give you 0. So we can write it directly. 5 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2. 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. That will give you 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9. 25 into 9 will give you 225. Part 7 is 6 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4. Try to solve it yourself. Question number 7 is simplification of negative bases. That means exponents which have negative base. As we have studied it earlier also, negative when has an odd power, the answer will be negative. कभी भी माइनस की साइन का पावर अगर ऑड नंबर होता है, then the answer will have a negative sign. अगर नेगेटिव का पावर even है, even means divided by 2, then your answer will be positive. Here you can see minus 6 has a power 3. 3 is odd. So your answer will have a negative sign. Minus 6 raised to 3, that means minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. Simply multiply 36, 36 is 216. And you remember the trick, then write negative sign different ways, or you can do it minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Part 2 is minus 5 into minus 2 raised to 3. Expanding it, minus 5 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 2s are 40. So I have written the answer by just multiplying the numbers. Now you see minus is 4 times. 4 is even. Hence your answer will be positive, or minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. So I will be using trick for the further subpart. Part 3 is minus 3 raised to 3 minus 5 raised to 2. So minus 3 will be written 3 times on expansion, and minus 5 will be written 2 times on expansion. When the numbers multiplied, 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, you will get the answer as 675. Now count the number of minus in this expansion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is odd. So I will write a negative or a minus with my product or in the answer. Part 4 is minus 2 raised to 4 minus 10 raised to 3. So minus 2 is expanded and written 4 times in multiplication, and minus 10 is written 3 times in expansion. 2 to the 4, I am just multiplying the numbers. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Here I have 4 minus signs, which is even. So 16 will be positive. 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. Here 10 is repeated 3 times. So 1 will have 3 zeros with it. That is 1000. Since I have 3 negative signs in 10, so my answer will be minus. Now 16 into 1000 will give you 16,000. Plus minus will give you minus. So your answer will be minus 16,000. Part 5 is minus 4 raised to 2 into minus 5 raised to 2. On expansion, I will have minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 5. 4 fours are 16. Minus minus will give you plus. So minus 4 into minus 4 will be 16. Minus 5 into minus 5 will give you plus 25. 16 into 25 will be 400. Try to solve part 6. Part 7 is minus 5 into minus 1 raised to 4. Minus 1 is expanded and written 4 times in multiplication. Since minus 1 has an even power, I can write it directly with a positive sign. When 1 multiplied with 1 any number of times will give you 1. So I have minus 5 into 1. Minus 5 into 1 will give you minus 5. Part 8 is minus 16 into minus 1 raised to 7. Here 7 is an odd number. So minus 1 will give you an answer as minus 1 only. Here odd number of power with negative sign will have minus in the answer. Minus 16 into minus 1 will be 16. Minus minus will give you plus. Question number 8 is compare the following numbers. Part 1 is 2 into 10 to the power 12 and 3 into 10 to the power 16. For comparison, take two things in 10 की पावर्स को हम कंपेयर करेंगे सिर्फ तब जब 10 के मल्टीप्लिकेशन में जो नंबर हैं वो सेम डिजिट्स के हों. Here I have 1 digit, here also I have 1 digit. So I will be comparing only the powers of 10. Powers of 10, you can see 10 raised to 12 and 10 raised to 16. 16 is greater, hence 10 raised to 12 is less than 10 raised to 16. Therefore, the number having 10 raised to 12, that is 2 into 10 raised to 12, will be less than 3 into 10 raised to 16. Second, 1.5 into 10 to the power 15, 4.5 into 10 to the power 8. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे 10 के पावर्स के मल्टीप्लिकेशन में जो नंबर है 1.5 और 4.5। डेसिमल के पहले भी एक ही डिजिट है, डेसिमल के बाद भी एक ही डिजिट है. So we won't pay attention on this number 1.5 and 4.5. Compare the powers of 10. 10 raised to 15 and 10 raised to 8. 15 is greater, hence 10 raised to 15 will be greater than 10 raised to 8. इसलिए 10 raised to 15 के साथ जो नंबर है that will be greater than the number which is with 10 raised to 8. Therefore 1.5 into 10 to the power 15 is greater than 4.5 into 10 to the power 8. Part 3. 4 into 10 to the power 14, 3 into 10 to the power 18. Again see, 10 की पावर्स के साथ जो नंबर हैं वो सेम डिजिट के हैं. 4 में भी 1 डिजिट ही है, 3 में भी 1 डिजिट है. So we will compare 10 to the power 14 and 10 to the power 18. Here 18 is greater, therefore 10 raised to 14 is less than 10 to the power 18. Therefore the number with 10 raised to 14, that 4 into 10 raised to 14 is less than 3 into 10 raised to 18. Part 4, 2.5 into 10 to the power 12, 3.5 into 10 to the power 8. Again see the numbers 2.5 and 3.5. डेसिमल के पहले भी एक डिजिट है, डेसिमल के बाद में भी एक ही डिजिट है, इसलिए हम 10 की पावर्स को कंपेयर करेंगे. 10 raised to 12 and 10 raised to 8. 12 is greater, hence 10 raised to 12 is greater than 10 raised to 8. इसलिए 10 raised to 12 के साथ जो नंबर है 2.5 into 10 to the power 12, it is greater than 3.5 into 10 to the power 8. Try to solve the last two parts of this question, part 5 and part 6. Just taking a second, अगर हम orally इसे solve करना चाहें तो पहले हम देखें नंबर्स जो हैं 1.7 और 2.1, इनमें डेसिमल के पहले भी एक डिजिट है, बाद में भी एक ही डिजिट है. तो हम 10 के पावर्स कंपेयर करें. 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 5, 8 is greater, इसलिए 1.7 into 10 to the power 8 will be greater than 2.1 into 10 to the power 5. Now try to solve sixth part by yourself. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.